Hi guys, it's Lincoln here with hostlincoln.org, and today it's a big day and I'm actually late with my upload because I've been doing quite something today, and today is the start of the challenge. What is the challenge? It is 90 days from now, which today is the 15th February of 2019, and 90 days from today will be the 16th May 2019, and 90 days from today I hope to hit 1K per day with this strategy. And a lot of people have been talking about something similar, but I'm just going to show you the exact strategy as a case study for you. What am I going to do? What was the result? Which is either good or wrong, every little thing. Okay? So 90 days from now, we hope to hit 1K per day with this strategy. And of course, welcome to my channel. If you want, you can check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button, because it's an awesome journey I am going to be in, and I want you to be in too, because I'm here to empower you entrepreneurs. And my strategy is really simple. Asking simple questions give you simple answers. And this is one of my favorite things, because what really will work is if there is a demand for a certain product, the market, Google, or any platform will push that product in front of the audience. Simple. So my question is there a demand for that product? Pick that product. Look at what others are doing and do something similar. Same color, same things. And I will develop on that more when I pick products. I will show you how. And of course, how really large is your product audience? There are tools for that, free tools. And of course, promotion ways to get in front of your audience in the most natural way. What I mean about that is I don't want to pay for ads. I want it to grow organically for 90 days. And if I ever am doing ads, I will tell you how much am I investing in and how much value am I getting out of it. So if you want to do something now, you just have to give value, and how much of it you have to give in that niche. And talking about niche, the niche of choice for me would be either self-help or health and fitness. Either or, I'm very comfortable with talking about this or these, maybe both, I don't know. And my investment per month will only be $49.90 per month with that particular strategy in terms of money, because I'm not going to do any ads, and I will mostly build things, and I want to track how much time am I putting into building those things. And I will be using Clockify. The link will be in the description. No affiliate link whatsoever. It's clockify.me, and what it does is it's actually calculating how much time are you spending on what things, and I will be sharing that with you. And yeah, Clockify. The other things is what am I aiming at? The main aim for me with this challenge is to actually empower you in any niche you are. I want to empower you, to show you how you can make it happen. And I'm using a $7,000 strategy because I've been buying courses through the past year, and it's a compilation of most courses I've took to make money online. How am I going to do? I've learned a lot from those. I've tried a lot which didn't work, and I'm gonna stick to my strategy and modify it along the way for the next 90 days. And I will show you what I'm doing and the tools I'm using. I'm mostly using free tools except for Builderall. And if you are a Builderall user, it's a great strategy for you too. And if you want to sign up with me for Builderall, a free 7-day trial will be in the description. But check out my other video, you might have more that you want to learn first. And what I did today is I actually built a website, not completed, but I built some of it with Builderall. No branding, nothing, just color, which is black, blue, and white. The three colors of Auslinken actually. And I'm using niche hacks, which is this site, to understand which niche I want to get into. And it's a great website, check this out, the link will be in the description. No affiliate link, you can find a niche, you can understand a little bit more about affiliate marketing, traffic, content, anything of that. And before of course I will see you soon, but before that I just want to show you that I will also place the niche I'm going to be in on Instagram, Facebook, and if you want to follow me on Auslinken, I will provide updates too on that media. And see you soon. Next up I will talk about my website, which color I choose to attract people, why I choose those, and the SEO tricks I'm using with Builderall. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And this is actually Builderall, the platform I was talking into, but more on that later. Thanks for watching.